In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Jobber. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can efficiently manage your payments on this versatile platform. Let's dive in. First, to access Jobber, open your preferred web browser and type Jobber into the search bar. Hit enter, and the official site should be among the top search results. Click on it to proceed. Simple, right? It's just like searching for anything else on the internet. Once the Jobber homepage loads, if you already have an account, you'll click on the Login button to enter your credentials and access your dashboard. But if you're new to the platform, don't worry. In that case, you'll need to sign up. Follow the prompts to create an account, providing any necessary information that's asked for. This initial setup ensures that all your subsequent transactions and activities are securely tied to your personal or business profile on Jobber. Now, with your account set up and ready to go, let's find the invoice you intend to pay. Navigate through your dashboard until you locate the specific invoice you're interested in. It should be pretty straightforward if you're already familiar with the dashboard layout. You'll want to ensure you have the correct invoice, so take a moment to review any details that are available. At this point, you'll notice the invoice status neatly displayed, usually in an orange hue if it's unpaid, making it stand out for easy identification. Here's a little trick. The status text is clickable. Yep, Jobber makes it easy by linking this text directly to where you need to go. So, go ahead and click on the orange Unpaid text, which will redirect you to a new screen. Once you're on the new screen, an option stands out: Set as Paid. It's clear and self-explanatory. When you click on this option, it finalizes the payment process for that specific invoice, marking it as paid in the system. Quick and easy, isn't it? But what if you're leveraging Jobber's integrated payment processing system? Well, there's a bonus. Invoices processed through Jobber's system are automatically marked as paid without any additional steps. This feature is particularly handy for streamlining your workflow. So if you're using that service, you have one less thing to worry about. And that's it. Paying an invoice on Jobber is a straightforward process, made even simpler with these clear steps. We hope this guide has been helpful and that your experience with managing payments on Jobber is now much smoother. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy invoicing.